Today we're going to be checking out the LONA Love Nature feeder silo. So here's everything that's inside when you take everything out of the box. Installation is super easy. You start with this piece, which is what the bird's actually going to land on. Unscrew. Then you take this piece and insert this in there. And then screw it on. So that's what that looks like. You're going to do that 3 times. Then we take one of these and snap it on. So now here's what she looks like. So it's got 3 compartments. When you fill it with seed, each bird's going to get their own silo of seed. Putting the top on is super simple. All you do is line it up, give it a little twist. There you go. If you want to fix it to a post or a tree, it's very simple to do that. So you'd put this side up against the tree and then drill a screw right through there. Then you take this piece and all you do is pop it in. Just like that. You're good to go. If you don't want to screw it on, that's no problem because it comes with a Velcro strap. So if you can just want to do that, make it real tight and then put it right around your post or tree or whatever. And then of course it comes with a chain so you can hook it up wherever you like. And then you have this wonderful bird feeder that just absolutely looks beautiful, very simple in design, very elegant, easy to assemble. It's the LONA Love Nature feeder silo and it is great.